Hey, what's up Filecoin holders? Welcome to a new brand Filecoin video, my brother. And this video I will predicate this coin and I will do a technical analysis, and absolutely in the last, my brother, I will tell you the target of Filecoin and absolutely what's the opinion of this. So kindly holders, you need to watch this video completely to understand better now. This time, my brother, the Filecoin update is on the screen. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occur completely positive now, but very slowly moving upward now. This is very best, my brothers. Today will move upward. Otherwise, my friend, this time the crypto market is not comfortable and all currency is very badly falls down. So kindly holder, please don't sell it. Absolutely, this is very bad time. But I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will move upward now, and not bad, my friends, for Filecoin, because this time they cannot lose and they will end the profit now. So congratulations, holder. Yes, my brother, this time we just only predicate this coin, so I hope, my brother, you will be better understand to upcoming time they will move upward or not. So just only, as you can see, my friend, the chart results to completely be solid, and I hope, my brother, this chart, as you can see here, will start moving upward if a holder or hold it. So why are you not holding? Why are you selling? Please hold it. I hope the price will be increasing now, but this is only, that's all need your focus. So hold it. I hope the price will give you this time Filecoin will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching Filecoin holder. Please, if you have any problem, any question, then ask us. I hope, my brother, we will be answering you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.